Overreactor, Yokoso. Welcome back to the Overreact videos. We don't know what we're saying at the moment.
Today we're overreacting to Babymetal.
Babymetal, yes. Friday night,
Shanti,
here we go.
Shanti Shanti.
Shanti Shanti, free Shanti's official video. Let's do it. Shall we check it out?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Right.
Kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope. I like these colours. Is it a live one, yeah?
Doesn't sound anything like their other songs.
No.
They always do something different. You can see them on the kaleidoscope.
Yeah.
I don't think this is live because I can't see anyone.
It looks like live. What do you mean you don't think it's live?
There's no one there.
Yeah, but they got the headpieces and everything. The guitar is here.
I think it's supposed to look like it's a live thing, isn't it?
It is live.
Oh, it might be.
It's sweating and everything. Why would it not be live? See?
Yeah, I didn't see the people.
That kind of Indian. Or is it Indian? Wait, this one looks different over there.
You see?
They changed it.
Now it's just not showing up. Nah, it's just showing
The
up.
same one, yeah? Oh. Hey, who are these lot?
It's a mirror. Mirror effect.
Short but sweet. Very short.
It wasn't that short.
It felt short to me.
It felt short because the ending was fast.
It was
It
very
was 3
short.
minutes.
It was enjoyable. Definitely different to what we normally hear. I think they're always changing it up, aren't they? I think this is pretty recent too, no? What's the time on that?
6 years ago. Maybe a bit recent.
Yeah, I thought it was more recent than that. How wrong am I again?
Very wrong.
That's a good one.
Depends how recent it is to you. I liked it. It was like very contrasting from their other music.
No, it's nice. I like that one. I like this. I like the infused sound, kind of like Indian with their kind of sound mixed in. Right, I think.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's all we got time for. Any other BAND-MAID songs, Babymetal songs that you can think of? Put in the comments. Let us know.
And see you in the next song. Bye.